Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to open a chat on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to open a chat on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to open a chat on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to open a chat on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Opening a chat on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on chat button. Again click on chat. From here you can open any chat or you can simply search from search button at the top. There you go. If you wanted to know how to open a chat on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.